Ashies! You got dirty now. Ay. You're dirty now, bud. Okay. No. Not that one. Don't eat that. It's not for you. No. Keep moving. Keep moving, bud. Good boy. Keep moving. Go on. I'm gonna go back to the backyard. Good boy. Keep moving. Keep walking. Keep walking. Go on. That side, not here. That side. Good boy. Come on. Keep moving here. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on. No stopping. You're dirty. No stopping. Go on. Walk. Walk. You walk. I said walk. It's hot here. See? Come on. Get up. Ay, you got tangled again. You get tangled again. You're silly. Ay. Ay, my baby. Get up, bud. Get up. Get up now. Drake. I'm gonna lift you and carry you inside. You get tangled again. Get up, get up. No sleeping out here. No, no. Alright, come on. Shh. Drake. You're so silly. You're gonna get dirty again. Drake. You're a silly baby. You're a silly baby. You're a silly baby. Shit. Oh, sorry for that. What you did on the leaf? Oops. You get tangled. You get tangled. Good boy. You're dirty. Come on, to the back door. Alright, good job. Come on. Come here. Mom is cleaning you up. You're getting dirty. You go there. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Alright, come on. Come on now. Go. Come on, to the patio. Ay, no, no, no. Good boy. Keep moving. Keep moving or I will bring you inside. Keep moving. Go on, bud. Keep moving, baby. Move your butt. If you don't move, you're gonna go in. Come on. Keep moving now. Come on. Come on now. Good boy. Your tail. Happy? Happy, baby? Keep moving your tail. No, no. He wants to get the bird right there. There's a bird. Ooh! They're gone! They're gone, Baba! They're gone! Drake can't catch them! Come on, bud! Let's keep moving! Keep moving, keep moving! Take a walk! No catching bird. No more bird. Haha. Drake can't catch a bird. Oops. He saw a bird again. Oops. Fly, birdie, fly. Drake will catch ya. Fly, birdie, fly. Fly, birdie. Drake will get you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he's coming. He's coming, birdie. Uh-oh, birdie. There's Drake. Drake is coming, birdie. Where is it, bud? I can't find it. Huh? What is it? Keep walking. You're fine. You're good to go to walk. Come on. Go on, take a walk, bud. You're free to walk. Come on. You walk with mom. No sitting. You have to keep moving, buddy. Keep moving. Keep moving now. Keep moving. We can't just stay in one place. We're gonna get insect bite. Keep moving. Told you we can't stay in one place. We're gonna get insect bite. Go on. Move your butt. Take a walk. Move that butt. Go on. Come on. Keep moving. Good boy. Good job. Good job. Keep moving. Keep moving, baby. Come on. Hey, where you going? This way now. Honey-o. He really wanted to explore. It's mom. Come on. No stopping. Come on. What is it? Uh-oh. He saw a bug. Whoop. Watch your nose. Don't want to get hurt. Good job. Good job, baby. That's my boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. This way. Come this way. This way, baby. Shh. This way. This way. Come on. Our yard is here. That way. That way. Go. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. You did a good job. You have to keep moving. Are you tired now? Are you ready to get in? Hmm? You ready to get in now? Come on. Come on. Jeez. You need to keep moving, bud. There's a bug. Come on. Get up. You want mom to carry you? Huh? You want mom to carry you? Get inside. Okay, let's go inside. Let's go inside now. Good boy. Okay, let's go inside now. No more laying down there. No more laying down, bud. Come on. Mom will carry you. You tired now? Come on. Come on, get up. Mom will carry you now. Alright, let's go in. Let's go in. Hey. That's enough. Go on. It's enough. We go inside. We go inside now. Drake, let's go inside now. Come on. Mom will carry you. You're so silly. Alright, let's go now. You go inside now. You lay down inside now, not here. It's too hot here. Go on. Thank you for watching, guys. Drake will go in. Okay, go inside now. Come on. There you go. Good job. You enjoy it? Good job. Alright. Go. Thank you for watching.